Blood is a connective tissue in the fluid form. They circulate through the blood vessels. It circulates constantly around the body, allowing constant communication between tissues distant from each other. Blood is composed of three different types of cells, which are the red blood cell, the white blood cell, and the platelet. The fluid part of the blood is called the plasma. The blood in our body makes up about 7% of the body's weight. This proportion is less in women, and then considerably it is greater in children, and then gradually it decreases until it reaches adulthood. Blood flows in the blood vessels and it is in constant motion, allowing the movement of nutrients and gases around the body. Blood is colored red, but the colors are either deeper or lighter. When we look at the blood that are found in the blood vessels, then we can distinguish. The blood that is found in the veins are purplish red, while the blood that is found in the arteries are scarlet red. The different colors of the blood in the vessels is as a result of combination with either the oxygen gas or with carbon dioxide gas. The blood in the human body in an adult human is about 5 liters, while in an adult woman or an adult lady, the blood is about 4.5 liters. In babies, blood is about 450 milliliters in volume. And the degree of alkalinity and acidity of blood is 7.4. The presence of blood in our body is very important, and this gives rise to the functions of blood. There are several functions of blood, and they include, we have the nutritive function, the respiratory function, the excretory function, the transport function. We have the regulation of water-body balance, regulation of body temperature, storage function, defense function. All these activities and functions of blood makes blood a very important component of every human system or even lower animals. As earlier described, blood is made up of 3 cells, which are the white blood cell, the red blood cell, and the platelet. And each of these cells have specified functions in the blood. So we are going to be starting up with the red blood cell. The red blood cell is a cell of the blood that is non-nucleated and forms an element in the blood. They can also be called erythrocytes. The red blood cell ranges from about 4 to 5.5 million in the blood. That is for an adult male. Then for an adult women, it ranges to about 4.5 million. The red blood cell is shaped like a disc, or it has a biconcave shape. And this biconcavity of the red blood cell gives it several advantages as it passes through the blood capillaries or tiny blood capillaries. Because the red blood cell is non-nucleated, which simply means it does not contain a nucleus, the red blood cell as well does not contain DNA in humans, but the red blood cell of camel contains a nucleus, but that of humans, the nucleus is absent. Because of the absence of the mitochondrial and also the Golgi apparatus, energy is produced in the red blood cell by a glycolytic process. Red blood cell has special type of cytoskeleton, which is made up of an actin and spectrin. These are proteins, and these proteins are held to a transmembrane protein by another type of protein called the ankyrin. The absence of the spectrin results to a condition in the red blood cell called the spherocytosis. In spherocytosis, the biconcave shape of the red blood cell becomes globular. The biconcavity of the red blood cell has several advantages, and these include It helps in equal distribution and rapid flow of oxygen and other substances around the red blood cell. Also, the biconcavity of the red blood cell allows the red blood cell to squeeze even into the smallest capillary in the body without getting damaged. Also, the biconcavity of the red blood cell provides a surface area for absorption and removal of certain substances from the blood. The red blood cell on its own has a specified function. The red blood cell, because of the content of the red coloring material called the hemoglobin, it has the ability to transport oxygen in the form of oxyhemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a red compound found in the red blood cell.